Alright, this is filming with the camcorder on these elevators here. Here's one right here. If you look at myself, this is now recording with the Sony camcorder. Let's go up to 9. Oh, gotta press it hard. This is the first upload using a Sony Handycam DCR-HC36 camcorder. You will also see in one of my flashback videos too. Here we are at 9. Go on to 1. Now I'm going to do some still pictures using my camera too. Captured it. Now, once we go back up to 9, I'm going to take some still pictures of the fixtures. I don't know, why is it canceling? Alright, here we go. Alright, captured it. The phone box is stuck. And we're stopping on 6. Someone's getting on. Going up?
Yes, sir.
Which one are you going to? 7th floor. I'm an elevator photographer.
Okay.
I'm going to stand over here. I want to get a cab view. Alright, have a good day, sir. Okay, my dad's calling me. Hello? I'm at the Marriott Town Square Hotel. Yeah, I'll be down there just a little bit, okay? Okay. Alright. That's my dad's phone. See, if you look down there, it's a swimming pool. But it's closed because today's cold out there. As you see right there, that is the Hyatt place. Lake Point Plaza office building. Here's the rest of Sugar Land, Texas. Wow, isn't that a nice view? And as you turn that way, you can see the Sugar Creek building, 3 Sugar Creek and 2 Sugar Creek. There's American Bank where my mom used to work. And that right there is the Granite building, which is way over there. I'm sorry for the shakiness. You can see the cars going by. Alright, that's all the view. Let's go back downstairs now. Still have that orange call button. And we got a different one now. Go on the 1. It's got an ADA compliant phone. This is much identical to the other one. Look in the mirror. Hey now. Key card reader, and here we are at 1. That one's open, nobody's on it. Here it goes. And that's it.